2019
MINI Convertible.
With less than 57,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, convertible soft top, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. Take home the car of your dreams today.